Today, we're checking out one of the freshest electric cars coming straight out of Europe, the all-new 2026 Nissan Micra EV. This is not just another small hatchback. This is Nissan completely rethinking the Micra for a fully electric future, designed mainly for European cities, where space, efficiency, and style matter the most. At first glance, the Micra EV looks sharp and modern. The design is compact but confident, with smooth body lines and a clean front face that instantly tells you this is an electric car. The LED headlights give it a futuristic look, and the short overhangs make it perfect for tight streets and crowded parking spots. It feels young, urban, and very European in character. Step inside, and the cabin feels simple but smart. Nissan has focused on practicality here, with a clean dashboard layout and easy-to-reach controls. There's a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel and a central touchscreen that handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The materials are decent for the segment, and everything feels built for daily use rather than luxury flexing. Space is surprisingly good for a car this size. The front seats are comfortable, visibility is excellent, and for city driving, that's a big win. The rear seats are best for short trips, but that's expected in a compact EV like this. The boot is practical enough for groceries, backpacks, or small luggage, making it ideal for daily routines. Now let's talk about what really matters in an electric car, the battery and range. The 2026 Nissan Micra EV is expected to offer multiple battery options, with the larger one delivering up to around 400 kilometers of WLTP range. That's more than enough for daily commuting, city errands, and even weekend drives without constantly worrying about charging. Charging is where the Micra EV keeps things convenient. With fast charging support, you can top up the battery quickly during a coffee break or shopping stop. At home, overnight charging easily covers your daily needs, making this car very stress-free to live with. On the road, the Micra EV feels smooth and quiet, exactly what you want from an electric city car. Acceleration is instant, so pulling away from traffic lights feels effortless. The steering is light, the car feels nimble, and maneuvering through tight streets is super easy. This is the kind of car that makes city driving less tiring and more enjoyable. Suspension tuning is comfortable, soaking up small bumps and rough roads nicely. It's not a performance car, but it's not trying to be. The Micra EV is all about balance, comfort, efficiency, and easy driving. For European cities, this setup makes perfect sense. Safety and driver assistance features are also expected to be strong, with systems like lane assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control available depending on the trim. Nissan has a solid reputation in this area, and the Micra EV continues that trend. When it comes to pricing, the Micra EV is expected to be positioned as an affordable entry-level electric car in Europe. That makes it a great option for first-time EV buyers or anyone looking to switch from petrol to electric without spending a fortune. So overall, the 2026 Nissan Micra EV feels like a smart, modern solution for everyday urban life. It's compact, efficient, easy to drive, and designed specifically for how people actually live and commute in European cities. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about the new Micra EV and whether you choose it over other small electric cars in Europe.